How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. That's my 2018 Acura MDX, and that one almost have 200,000 kilometers on it. So in today's video, we're gonna make this engine last longer by doing an engine refresh, and we're gonna do that with the help of Liquimoly. So let's go check out how much the real mileage on this car. It's pretty hot today. Okay, let's start the car. It's 199,267 kilometers. So it's gonna reach 200,000 kilometers soon. I just want to make sure this engine will last more than that. And we're gonna do an engine refresh. We're gonna do the Liquimoly Engine Flush and then CERATEC the car. I'm gonna add CERATEC to the engine oil after. So I'm gonna add CERATEC on that engine oil. So for you who doesn't know what is a CERATEC, so CERATEC is a additive from Liquimoly. So this will prevent metal to metal contact inside your engine. So that will give you better gas mileage because of the less friction inside the engine, and it's gonna reduce a lot of wear on the engine. So at the same time, it protects your engine to make it last longer. So it's a bit pricey. This is about $50 for the bottle, and they recommend to add this CERATEC every time you do an oil change, just to make sure your engine will last longer. It's up to you if you want to add, but at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you how the engine feels like after when we do the CERATEC on the Acura MDX, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts if it's really worth it to do the CERATEC every time we do an oil change. So we'll find that out at the end of the video. So guys, let's get started. So here are all the things that we'll be using today. So I have the Liquimoly Engine Flush to flush out any gunk, sludge or whatever I have inside the engine. And then after, I'm going to do my first oil change to flush out what's left over of the engine flush inside. So basically this is just a basic oil with the Fram oil filter. So after flushing that, then I'm gonna use my real oil, which is a Castrol Edge, and I'm gonna use the original Honda oil filter with a new washer. And then we're gonna mix CERATEC inside. So first we're gonna run the engine for about 10 to 15 minutes just to get it to normal operating temperature. So once we achieve that temperature, I'm gonna turn off the engine. Then we're gonna add up the Liquimoly Engine Flush. So now that the engine is in normal operating temperature, so first I'm gonna give it a good shake, so just to make sure everything is mixed inside. Take out the I'm gonna take out the oil filler cap. So after pouring the Liquimoly Engine Flush, we're gonna idle the car for 10 minutes just to do its work inside and take out all the gunks and sludge or whatever I have inside the engine. And then after that, we're gonna flush everything out. Make sure it's tight. So now I'm gonna start the car and idle for 10 minutes. So I'm doing a countdown on my phone. Last 1 minute. 10 seconds. Okay, now I'm shutting down the engine. So I'm gonna let the engine cool down a bit, then we're gonna change the oil. So here we need a 17mm to take out the drain plug. So we're gonna put back the drain bolt. So this is our temporary oil filter. So the capacity of the engine oil is 5.4 liter with the included oil filter change. But since this is just flushing oil, I'm just gonna use 5 liter. You know what, maybe I can make this big one fit in there. So since this is just a flushing oil, I'm just gonna put exactly 5 liter from this jug instead of a 5.4 liter. So now with the cheap oil, we're gonna idle this for 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure we can rinse everything inside and remove all that engine flush inside the engine. Then we're gonna drain it, and then we're gonna put our real oil and add the CERATEC on it. So this time we're gonna use the new washer that came with the oil filter. So take out the old washer, and we're gonna use that one. So I install back the drain plug with a new washer. So you're gonna put a bit of oil, rub the oil, and that's it. Now this oil filter is ready to be installed. This one you need only hand tight. That's it. Now it's tight. The oil capacity of the MDX is 5.4 liter, and this is a 5 liter jug of Castrol Edge, and the CERATEC is 300 milliliter. Probably I just need to add a little bit of oil after that, but I think 5 liter and 300 milliliter of CERATEC would be okay. And you know what, I think I'm gonna add the CERATEC first, and then we will put the real oil after. So that will make sure that the CERATEC will be mixed in completely. As soon as the oil passes by, it's gonna mix in automatically with the CERATEC. Oh my god, I haven't noticed that it's completely crushed. Okay, probably got crushed from transport, but still intact, so there's no leak. So I think it's still okay to use it. So it says here to shake thoroughly, so that's what we're gonna do right now. So this is like orange in color. Okay. Put back the cap. Make sure it's tight. So it's been 1 week that I've been using the MDX with the CERATEC in the engine, and here are my thoughts about the CERATEC. It makes your engine run smoother, and it's a little bit better than just a regular oil change for sure. And I noticed that there's a slight improvement in the gas mileage, and the noise also was reduced. So that's the gain that you can get from the CERATEC. So internally, probably it's doing a lot of reduction on the friction inside the engine. But is it really worth $50 more every time you do an oil change? For me, if you're gonna daily drive a car, I would stick with just a regular oil. But if you wanna baby your car, or you have a car that you only use it on the weekend, probably it's worth to do CERATEC. That's just my opinion. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Like a drug that I just can't deny, giving me the best high.